So this is the tiny home that they are, it's pretty cool. You can move it anywhere you want, but it is very cool on the inside. We'll go inside in just a second. But you can take it and deliver it where you want. It's classified as a tiny home. So check it out, it's pretty cool. We'll take a tour on the inside in just a second. Or maybe this is at the end. I love the flame there, that's cool.
Yeah, got a little fireplace here. Not many tiny houses you see have a full 7-foot leather sofa in it.
No kidding. And there's you got a movie theater.
Yeah,
it's got a screen.
Yeah, 84-inch 4K projection. Here's your TV over here.
Nice. Oh, so that's like your regular TV
Yeah,
too.
regular
Movie
TV.
theater. Yeah, okay.
Then you have a 1400 watt Polk Audio surround sound.
That comes with it.
Yes, that comes with it. So
Okay. Nice. Very nice.
you got plenty of noise. Coming on through, you actually have walnut floor, hardwood floors.
Okay.
And we did a black walnut countertop.
Very cool.
So let's turn this down a little bit more. So coming on through, you have a built-in wine cooler.
All right.
Pretty much full
Nice.
size. Yes, full size appliances.
Wow, that is
You have
nice.
a side-by-side refrigerator with dual freezers. The only thing mid-size in here will be your stove.
Okay. Okay.
Everything else is full size. You've got a full-size stainless steel sink.
All right. Very nice.
One other feature we have, you have a central vacuum system.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
So you have the dust pan on the bottom, and then you have your side port.
Okay.
All your accessories are actually stored in this closet, little pantry right here.
Nice. Tom, I got a question for you.
Yes, sir.
Are there tiny home communities or different places? I've always wondered that.
There's actually a tiny home community here in Orlando.
Okay.
You've got several popping up all over. We've actually got delivered a house to one in North Carolina.
That's where. Yeah. Okay. Near. Yeah. I know exactly where you're talking. Near Asheville.
Yeah. The Village of Wildflowers there. We've actually taken a house, got a couple, bought one, and we put it in there for them.
Near Hendersonville, right outside of Hendersonville.
Right
Yeah.
And also down here in Orlando, we've got we're building 3 for this gentleman that he'll probably get them sometime in May.
Okay. Very cool. How long, if you ordered one, how long does it take to get one?
Generally, well, in the past, usually about 2.5 to 3 months. Since this year, we've expanded.
Okay.
So we went from 2,000 square feet to 10,000 square feet.
Wow.
Went from just my wife and myself running the business to 5 employees.
Right.
So our capacity has grown considerably. We hope to do anywhere from 15 to 25 houses this year.
Cool. Well, show us the rest of it. What's the rest of it?
You actually have your barn door sliders here.
Okay.
And you come on up in to the bathroom.
Nice.
7-foot
Very
slipper foot
cool.
tub.
I think I could rough it in this.
Yeah. Regular dual
Look at
flush toilet.
So cool.
My wife opted for the chandelier instead of the shower ring.
Right. Look at this.
You got a regular granite top vanity. Everything is a soft close.
Mm-hmm.
So that prevents it from just flying open going down the road.
Okay. And that's your washing machine over
That's
there?
washer and dryer combo.
Okay.
That does both.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, you got the linen tower here. Actually, up under this box here, you have a 42-gallon hot water heater that supplies water for everything. So you can fill that tub completely up.
Wow.
With hot water. You also have a door here.
Right.
And then
I like it.
when you come on into the bedroom,
Oh, this is cool, man.
you get a
Very cool.
queen size.
And that's a fan right there,
Yes,
too.
that's a fan.
Yeah, I like that.
All of your windows. Let me demonstrate a window for you. So you push this back, you open this, that window opens up full. So that's considered an egress window.
You could open and have airflow going through both sides.
Or if you didn't want to open it all the way, let's do this first. How about that?
Nice. I like it.
So it's
Very
a European
cool.
style window, very nice. Impact resistant glass, you won't break
It tilts
it.
in. Yeah. Very cool. Well, Tom, this is awesome. Couple of questions. If somebody wanted to find out more about your company or more about tiny houses, how would they get in touch with you? How would they? I tell you what, the light's kind of bad. Can we walk into the next room? How would they find out more about you?
You can go to our website. You can go to Hummingbird Housing.
Okay.
Just type that in on Google, and it'll pop up. We've been in business for 8.5 years.
Okay.
So we're the actual oldest tiny house company on the East Coast or east of Texas.
Do you deliver anywhere?
We deliver anywhere. Actually, we hope we sell one to a couple up in Canada. We'll take one anywhere.
Okay.
We've got a customer in Hawaii.
Wow. I started to say that might be a tough drive.
Yeah, we didn't take it there, but we store it for him, so he comes to visit, and we deliver it anywhere in the U.S. pretty much.
Okay, so it's Hummingbird Tiny Homes.
Yes.
And what's the phone number if they want to call
It's
you?
478-599-0587.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Tom.
Thank you.
Thank you for showing us your house.
Okay.
Awesome.